Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash Rabatiranaxu. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, gold made a high of 2075 and ultimately closed at 2071. Gold was extremely bullish after the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. You can see here US dollar falls on dovish remarks by Fed's Powell. Powell says risk of over or under tightening now balanced. Dollar fell on Friday after 2 days of gains as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stuck a cautious tone on further interest rate moves, saying that the risk of under or over tightening is now more balanced, as a result of which we saw pressure on the chart of DXY. DXY was standing at 103.7370 and DXY closed at 103.13. Overall, because of the market sentiment, there was pressure on DXY for the last couple of weeks. The market was bearish, structure was bearish for the last couple of days and weeks, we have discussed, and still DXY was trying to recover, but ultimately because of the after the speech, okay, after the speech, the market sentiment again overruled the technicals, and we can see that DXY was going down, and we can expect that market will continue the bearish structure because for a trend reversal we need a news, and the next big news that may bring some positive changes on DXY is ADP, which is coming next week. But before ADP, we can expect that the selling pressure on DXY will remain. So you need to plan your trades accordingly. And as you can clearly see here, the DXY failed to cross the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. In case DXY surprises us, shocks us with some up move, then you can expect that 104.20 to 104.50 is the next big resistance on DXY because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, we have previous resistance around this area, but I don't think so DXY will be heading towards 104.2, 104.5, and it will have the strength also to break. And we can expect that DXY next week, by next week, DXY will be forming a new low. DXY will break 102.50. The market structure is bearish, and fundamentals are also pushing DXY towards the downside, so things are not positive. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. This is the weekly chart of gold, and in our previous videos also we have discussed about the buying possibility above 205 2050, and hopefully you guys made good money, because for the last couple of days we have discussed plenty of times that go for a buy above 2050, and we got a move also yesterday. Okay, and we can see that market ultimately closed at the strong resistance, the historical resistance of 2075 2080. But this time I think that there's a high chance that market will break 2080 level. Okay, I'm not saying that gold will fly, gold will break to 2100 and something like that, but yes, buyers are dominating the market right now. As a result, we can expect that at least the up move will continue till 2100. We will discuss step by step. Okay, but this is the weekly chart of gold. Though you can see the market is standing at resistance here, but look at the size of the candle. So therefore next week we can definitely expect that market will break the historical resistance of 2080 and head higher. Okay, and if you look at the chart carefully, then technically also you can see that we have an ascending triangle pattern kind of a thing. An ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern, so yes, further upside is very much possible, both fundamentally and technically. Fundamentals will push the DXY towards the downside, and technicals, you can see that we have an ascending triangle pattern, so it's a bullish pattern. So yes, let's wait and watch. Now let's head towards our usual time frame, our favorite time frame, the hourly time frame. Okay, so my dear friends, if you are holding a buy on gold, then obviously you must be smiling right now. Okay, no need to exit, further upside is still very much possible. Okay, and if you are looking for fresh position in the market, then yes, obviously you need to follow the same old strategy that we have been following for the last couple of days. Buy at dip, or buy at breakout. Buy at dip is a better and safer strategy here again. I also took a buy. Okay, I also took a buy. To be honest, okay, I also took a buy on gold at 2051. Okay. And probably you guys have heard me saying many times that I try to avoid Friday evenings. Okay, so I exited around 2057, 2058, and to be honest, see, whenever I get my 40 pips, I'm happy. Okay, then I got more than 40 pips, and it was that night. Okay, it was almost dinner time. Okay, so I thought that I should close before I forget to close the position. Okay, but yes, when I saw in the morning that gold made a high of 207, and okay, I feel a little bad, but it chalta hai. Okay, anyways, so the market opening will be very very important because after the big because the market opening will tell us whether we will be getting buy at breakout or buy at dip or buy at retracement. So you can see that I have drawn many lines here, so let's try to understand one by one. So first of all, we have a bullish flag here. You can see we have a bull flag here, my dear friends. So if market breaks this high of 2076, you or 20, what was the high? 2075. Okay, so if market breaks 2076, we can go for a buy position. Okay, but be a little bit careful, follow proper risk management, because usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. And for a breakout, volume is extremely important. Volume plays a very big role. Okay, so if you usually go for a lot size of 0.5, then if you see the market is going up right after the market opening, then we can go with a lot size of 0.1 or 0.2. Okay, so try to understand the market situation, because if the volatility is low but still market is going up, and it is a little bit risky. So as a result, okay, just lower down the lot size. So if market breaks 2076, we can consider that market is going for a breakout, and we can consider it as a breakout, and we can go for a buy position. How much we can expect? We can, I think that instead of market reversing from 2080, market will try to continue the upside. But in case you see market struggling around 2080, 2081, 2082, you can exit also. So as I said, volume will play a very important role here, because to break any resistance, to break any support, volume is important. In absence of volume, if market goes for breakout also and market struggles, you obviously you'll be able to see clearly on the chart. You can exit by now, and obviously I'll also come and I'll tell you what to do. But yes, the first trading opportunity on the chart of gold is if market breaks 2076, it will be a bullish flag breakout, and we can go for a buy. Okay, and on the other hand, if market comes for retracement, then we have few levels here. The first level is 2060. We have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Why we are considering this? You can see here, when market made the high of 2075, market respected FIBO 23.6% retracement level. So it means that our FIBO setup is correct here. Market is respecting FIBO. So keeping in mind that usually we don't have much volatility on Monday. So if market comes down, okay, observe the market around 2060. 2060, 2059, around the area. If you see that market is taking support and going up, you can go for a buy. You can hit the buy button. Second support is around 2055. Yes, 2055, and this last support for Monday or buy at dip is around 2050. Keep in mind, these are just market work as zone in a market. 2060, it can be 2059, 2055, 2054, 2050, 2048. So if you see the market is taking support and going up, you can hit the buy button. Do one thing, okay, simply switch to a lower time frame. Once you'll see the market has entered the zone, okay, switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, to observe the market behavior. If you see that as a per expectation, market is going up, market is showing price rejection from below, you will get the confirmation that okay, buyers are present, and we can hit the buy button. And in this situation, 2050 or around 2050 seems to be the best level to go for a buy, because 2050 is not only we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, but also previous strong resistance will also be acting as support here. Strong resistance will also be acting as support here. So 2050 or around 2050 is the best level to go for a buy. But if market doesn't come to 2050, then obviously we will have to look for levels like 20 around 2060, around 2055. Okay, so my dear friends, keeping in mind the present condition of the market, it's better to be on the buy side only. We have been on the buy side for a long time, and still we can see the further upside is very much possible. After all, market sentiment uh, will be pushing gold towards the upside. So as a result, we can easily see that further upside is possible. So considering or respecting the trend of the market, respecting the market sentiment, okay, we can either go for buy at dip or we can go for buy at breakout. Buy at dip is always the safest thing to do here. So market opening will be very important. Right after the market opening, if you see market is coming down, you can observe the market around 2060 2059 area, which is FIBO 38.2% retracement level. If market takes support and bounces, go for a buy. But if you see the market is standing at 2060 with a big red candle, avoid. Use your common sense. Similarly, if you see market is coming down 2055, which is FIBO 50% level, which is also a good level, market will, if market bounces, we can go for a buy. Strongest zone or level to go for a buy is around 2050 2049, which is FIBO 61.8% retracement level, which is a good level. And moreover, we have previous resistance working as support, so it's a strong level. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can't do anything. In that case, buy at breakout is the only solution here. Buy at breakout means if market breaks 2076, we can consider it as a trend continuation and we can go for a buy. Okay, and if the volume is low, then you can exit around 2080 2082. But if you see the market is really bullish, then obviously continue the trend, because market will be heading towards the next resistance of 2100. Yes, 2100 is the next big resistance. Let me show you. See, this is this options data here. Where is 2100? You can see 2100, we have the highest contracts here. So as a result, 2100 is the next resistance, and before 2100 we do have some resistances. For example, around 2080 also we have got some contracts standing, but you can also see that it's not a big number. So after hitting 2080, there may be a minor correction, there may be a minor or temporary retracement, but ultimately market should break 2080 and head towards 2100. So let's wait and watch. And if you are holding a sell position, then my dear friend, it's time to exit from the sell, because further upside is possible. And my dear friends, after 3 months, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. The next workshop will be on March or April. Okay, so if you're interested, you can participate. My dear friends, this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market and unable to make money. So my dear friends, if you like my work, if you really want to take training to your next level, then you can consider joining the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. The topics are mentioned here. The link is in the description. You can see these are the topics that we will be dealing. And after the 3 days workshop, 1 month support. And in 1 month support, we will also have weekly classes. These are the topics that we will be dealing during our weekly lessons. These are the benefits that you will be getting after joining the workshop. Only 4 days left. Okay, the workshop is starting from 6th. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. This is a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here, it's only $15 for the workshop. Is what, 1,000 for Indians. 3 days workshop, 1 month support. And trading takes time. If you're looking for guidance, personal sessions, to ask questions, to clear doubts, you can sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support. These are also very much affordable. Everything is mentioned here. Right after the payment, you just need to share a screenshot with this WhatsApp number, or you can also email. I will add you to the group immediately. And the dates are 6, 7, 8 for Hindi lessons. Hindi के लिए 6, 7, 8. शाम को 6:30 बजे. And for English, 11, 12, and 13th. Okay, classes will be conducted over Google Meet. Everything will be recorded so that even if you miss, okay, you can watch again and again. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. Happy weekend. Enjoy with your friends and family. Have fun.